What's up, you guys? So I just got done doing a straight headband wig tutorial. It was 18 inches human hair. Go check that out. I'm leaving it in the e-card above. So today I'll be doing another headband wig. And let's just open it up and see what's on the inside. Oh, I forgot it's red. And then they had a green. What? Oh, this is about to be a good one. So here's a thank you card they sent. Here's a wig cap. Here's a cute green, mint green. Oh my God, that's so cute. And here is the hair. Usually hair companies send 2 headbands, but they just sent that one. On the inside, it has 3 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom. And this is synthetic. It feels like braiding hair, like the Spectra braiding hair. That's exactly what it feels like, but it's very thick, very, very, very thick. All right, let's put this bad boy on. My edges is already kind of laid, and I already got my wig cap on. I'm nervous to see how this gonna look. So this is hella hair. Hella hair. If you're going for the big natural blown out look, let me tell you, this is it, honey. This is it. So I don't know if I want like a middle part or not. Let's go with the side part. Girl. When I say this is a lot of hair, I am not lying. Big hair don't care, okay? So I was gonna flat iron it, but I don't know. I kind of like the bigness of it, and it's synthetic, so I don't want to put. I'm probably not gonna go all the way down to the ends with it, cause you know how synthetic units, them ends start looking raggedy and dry, and I don't got time. I don't got time. But just to lay a little flatter up here, you know, I'm just flattering it a little bit. Take my paddle brush and get into it. Yeah, this hair is thick. All right, let's put on this headband, y'all, because this headband is like the cutest one I've got. I've gotten a purple one like this, but this mint green is doing something to me. Okay, let's put it on. Ooh, child. It's getting hot here. Hot already. Okay. For this amount of hair that it's giving, you feel me? It's giving. So yeah, I would highly recommend you guys purchase this. This is not a paid promotion at all. I'm just giving my little 2 cents. It is synthetic, so it does shed, and it's not gonna last as long as human hair. But if you just need something real quick and you want to try out a headband wig, this is the wig to go to. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.